How's it going, everybody? This is a simple unboxing of the Hong Kong edition of the iPhone XR. What's unique about this unit is that it's dual SIM. Apple released iPhone XRs and XS Maxes with dual SIM card slots only in China and Hong Kong. This is the 128GB Product Red edition. Got it to replace an iPhone SE, Apple's last budget model from a few years back. Well, here it is in all its blood red glory. The power brick is the chunky Hong Kong British style one. It also comes with a pair of wired headphones with a lightning connector and a lightning to USB-A cable. Usually, dual SIM phones here in Asia have the two slots sitting side by side each other. Apple implemented theirs differently. They put the two slots back to back. So this is the SIM tray with a SIM card, and I'm going to flip it over to the other side. On the other side of dual SIM models, you have a SIM card cut out and you can pop in a second SIM. Perhaps a secondary number or even a data SIM card when you're traveling to use the internet with. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you next video.